Hey, this is Lynette Bledsoe from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you live from my home office here in Texas. And today we are going to be doing Ipsy versus Ipsy. So stay tuned, check out who wins. Alright guys, and welcome back. So if you saw my first video, I just couldn't wait to unpack my Ipsy bag. So that was my personal bag, but if you guys are curious as to if two people get the same things, like my daughter also gets Ipsy, and today literally her bag came and she did not want me to wait in order for her to unpack this. So today we're gonna see what I got versus what she got. I'm in my early 40s, I am 41, and my daughter is 17. So I'm gonna dive into my bag first, just in case you guys didn't see my unboxing. So I'm gonna do mine first, because I actually didn't open up the products, which I kind of forgot to do because I was so excited to dive into mine. So we'll start off with the brush, and I'm gonna go really quickly, just in case you guys saw that first one. I don't want to be repetitive. So the first thing that I got, and I had a couple of people ask me as to if the cards are different for my bag versus her bag. So we're definitely going to show you guys both of the cards so that you guys can see if Ipsy really does customize each bag compared to what the personal preferences are. For me, I put that I was in my early 40s and I am comfortable with my makeup. My daughter is 17. She's never worn makeup. She wants to try to test things out right now. So she's 17. She has the same eyes, same hair, same skin type, but hers is she's not comfortable with makeup. She's open to testing things out. First thing I got was a MŌDA brush. And this is an angle brush, and this was for highlights, and what else? This was for highlighting. Oh, for highlighting and contouring. So this is the brush that I got, and I believe there's a number on this too. This is a BMX 465 precision brush. So there you go, and that was from MŌDA. I like this. I'm actually in the process of, you watched that first video, I'm looking to replace all my makeup brushes too. So at this point, I'm not gonna have any repeats, hopefully. Make sure you like and subscribe my channel, because we are gonna start, since I'm getting 2 Ipsy bags and I'm getting beauty boxes from companies like Allure, Fab Fit and Fun, a lot of stuff. So if I ever when I start getting, once we hit 2,000, or if I start getting repeats, we're gonna definitely do our first giveaway. So definitely stay tuned to the channel, because we are having a lot of fun. And if you don't know, let me go back. Ipsy is a monthly subscription beauty box, which is $10, and they give you a variety of products. So with this bag, I got 5 different products for $10, which that can be a combination of a full-size product, which was the makeup brush, and lip, different products. So you also get a beauty bag, and this one says, "And off she went to change the world." So this is in rose gold, which is the color of the phone that I'm recording this video on. I love rose gold, so that's super awesome. The next thing that I received was this product from SKYN, and this was from SKYN ICELAND. And let me just cover my face. Oops, you guys can see that. Let me just lower the light so you guys can see it also. Give me a second, just a tad. So there you go. So mine is from SKYN ICELAND Berry Lip Fix. So this was something, it said that you put on before your lipstick, or you can just put on chapped lips just to make your lips feel comfortable. And then the next item that I received, here you go. And this is from Sand and Sky. This is Australian pink clay Porefining face mask, and this brand was founded by sisters in Australia. And if I didn't mention all the products that we received in our bag, it's to celebrate Women's National History Month. So this is a face clay mask made with Australian sand, and you leave this on your face for 10 minutes, and just to get rid of all the stuff. I don't have any face mask. I have face scrubs, so I don't have any face masks, so that is super awesome. And then the next product here from myself, and I apologize if I'm going fast, but I kind of did my unboxing, so I want to dive deep just to compare the two bags. And then I received a Ciate London lip gloss, and the color that I received it was Call Me. This one was a very cute color, and I'll swatch it so you guys can see. It's very, very light pink. I love lip glosses. Doesn't really smell like anything, I guess. It smells like lip gloss, so there you go. And then the last thing I received was from Pure, and this is a highlighter, so you can see that. Last time I didn't swatch this, so let me see if we can get this one swatched out so you guys can see how this highlighter works. All right, so let us get our swatch on. Oh, this is actually a pretty color. If you see that, very pretty. I'll swatch it again so you guys can see. I see that there. Very, very, let me hide my face so you guys can see that. But that's actually a really pretty color highlighter, so I can't wait to, you know, dive deep into that one. So that was my bag, and I'm gonna keep this out so that we can compare the bag that my daughter received versus my card. So these are the products you see there: the highlighter, lip gloss, this is the brush, the clay mask, and then this was the lip fix. So that was my bag. So let's dive deep and see what a 17-year-old who is not comfortable with makeup, what she would have received in her box. So let's see. And there are no products outside of the bag. Sometimes if you receive bags and it doesn't fit in your makeup bag, they put it inside your envelope. So always double check that just to be sure. So she has the same bag. Everyone gets the same bag. So that's what she has. So let us dive deep into her bag. Now I'm not gonna compare the cards as of yet because we don't know what's in this bag. So I like that to stay a surprise. So she received this, let's see what this is. This is from Lord & Beauty. So let me go like this, there you go. This is from Lord & Beauty. This is a Violetto eye pencil in Supreme Green. Okay, well she got green. So this Milan-based makeup brand is known for high quality products on trend products. Like this blendable olive green eyeliner, it's so rich in pigment and lasts all day, saving you valuable time on touch-ups. Tip: draw your lash lines and smudge with an angled eye brush for a soft wash of green. Draw some of your lid using the pencil and blend with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. So the card is giving the description. So obviously these two cards are totally different, and I'm going to show you guys the screen once we're done. Let's see what else she received. The next product here, let me just grab that here. This is from Curl Imperial. Where the heck is that? Oh, I'm blind. Okay, so the next product here, you guys can see that. This is from Curl Imperial. This is a mini mascara. This is from Seraphine Botanicals. So this is all about using nutrition, plant-based, fair trade ingredients in their products. That's the company. This baby's made with polymers. You don't have to be a genius to do this. That wrap around each lash to curl and lock in color. Plus Queen of the Meadow and Imperial Orchid extracts to condition your lashes. So tip here: wiggle the mascara wand through your lashes in a zigzag motion from root to tip. Repeat 2 to 3 times for more dramatic effects. So that is 2. That's really good. And then the next product here we have is, seriously, they gave my daughter a Morphe Bronzer. I mean, oh my gosh. So she got Morphe before I did. That's super fresh. She might not use this because, again, she's not comfortable with makeup, but And she didn't want to do this video because she's not a video person. She's very shy. So that's why I'm unbagging her stuff. So this is, oh, let me show you guys the box just in case you guys are curious. It came in this box. And here's her Morphe, her very first Morphe mini bronzer in Blogger. Isn't that ironic? I'm the vlogger and she got a blogger. She got a blogger Morphe bronzer. So there you go, that's how it looks. It's right there next to the highlighter. That's cool, it's not so dark. I'll swatch it again. That's a very pretty color. So this here, let me make sure, okay, cool. So this is, and Morphe encourages everyone to express their creativity in which what is makeup is all about. In their opinion, this velvety bronzer blends onto your skin seamlessly, so application is a cinch. Plus it's matte, so there's no sparkle or shimmer, just a totally natural look in sun-kissed glow. Tip: use an angled fluffy brush, sweep along your cheekbones and the sides of your forehead. That is very, very nice for, imagine if this was, if you're a teenager and you got your very first Ipsy bag and you got Morphe. How super fresh is that? Hello, she's like super fly right now. All right, and then the next thing here, I'll start with this one. So this is, let me make sure you guys can see that. There you go. Should be able to see that. Cake Beauty Milk Made Velveteen Hand Cream. So this is hand cream. This sweet smelling cream infused with oat milk concentrate and marshmallow root extract. It's slowly whipped to give it the lightweight, airy texture that absorbs quickly into your skin and leaves your hands so soft and smooth. Bonus, it smells like jelly donut. I think she's gonna dig this one. I mean, jelly donut. What teenager wouldn't want that? And then tip, hands need some extra TLC. Apply a generous amount before hitting the hay. Put on a pair of cotton gloves and sleep your way to softer hands. So that is really nice. I know she's gonna definitely take that one to school. And then last but not least, this is from Green Clean Pharmacy. So there you go. And then what is this? Let me actually open this up. There is, oh, it actually smells kind of pepperminty. I'm not too sure if that's right. It's green, if you can see that there. There you go, you can see that. It's green, and this actually has, let me see if I can tell, 0.4 fluid ounces. So it's a bit green and it smells minty. I'm not gonna swatch it because this is hers. So let us dive deep and see what this one does. So this one is Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. So this is a cleansing balm. This farm to face skincare brand fuses nature and science to create products rich in all natural ingredients like turmeric, sunflower, and ginger root oils and papaya enzymes. This balm melts away all traces of makeup, even waterproof, leaving your skin fresh and smooth. Tip, distribute a pea-sized amount into your palm and use your finger tips to massage to dry skin, then splash with water, wipe off with warm and damp, then splash with water or wipe off with a warm, damp washcloth. We both racked up being our first bag. She received Morphe. I received an Australian face. What did you guys get? Are we Ipsy bag twins? Did you get what my daughter got? Did you get what I got? Which of these products were your favorite? I think my daughter raked out. I think my daughter won, being that she got her first Morphe. She got a Morphe freaking bronzer. Like seriously, that was awesome. So I think she won this competition, I guess you'd say. But which bag do you think worked out better? Mine or my daughter's? I'd love to hear what you guys got. What did you guys get in your Ipsy bag? Let me know. Since this is our first bag, this is our first experience, I would definitely love to know what kind of variations were out there. So with that being said, you guys enjoy your day, and definitely stay tuned because we are going to start doing giveaways. Stay tuned because we're going to have a lot of fun in this channel, and we'll see you on the next video, guys.